This is the spirit of AT&T and its DNA. Storms hit, we jump into action, we make it happen, we put our customers and our employees first.
One of the most motivating things I heard were employees on their days off are actually going into other employees' homes, removing and replacing drywall, pulling up dampened carpet. That type of involvement with each other and having each other's backs in these times means a whole lot.
The damage was clearly severe on Mexico Beach. The actual ride in just really opened my eyes to the breadth of destruction that storm left in this community, and just how challenging it is for a community to recover from something this massive.
This morning we had a chance to drive through sort of the devastation of the communities, and we got out to our retail store where there were upwards of 400 people in line in order to get service.
We are here not just because we're a great American company, we're here because we got the best team. And the team is not just a local team. There are members from all over the AT&T family that have come here.
It makes it very real for you to have empathy for what the community has gone through, but then when you see our ground operation and virtually all other retail is closed, and you have our doors that are open to the community, and the customers are so appreciative. We're getting a hug for every phone that we give to a customer. Beyond words, we're winning hearts and minds for life.